have been feeling stuck or just need a reset, this is your sign. Hi y'all, it's Dr. Tammi Taylor, and today I'm here to give you the ultimate glow up guide for your mind, body, and confidence. You have been feeling stuck or just need a reset, this is your sign. In a few minutes, I'll walk you through simple but powerful steps to help you look better, feel better, and show up for yourself like never before. Let's glow up, sis. If I'm just being real, your glow starts with your skin. I have a daily routine where I cleanse my skin in the morning. I use an SPF on my skin for hyperpigmentation. Since I used to have blemishes, I kind of could show you an old clip, a video of my skin versus how my skin looks now. It's very, very different. I'm getting older, so I got to make sure I use something from my eye cream, a nice cream that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Your skincare routine matters. So do like a daily routine twice a day, I would say, with a gentle cleanser. If you have oily skin, combination skin, you need to know your skin. And once you know your skin, you'll know how to treat your skin. If you haven't started a routine, I would suggest using these three things for your routine: a daily cleanse, a tone, and a great moisturizer. I would say never be cheap on the cleanser and the moisturizer. I'll always try to get something that's really, really good with your for your skin, especially your face. Hyperpigmentation, I would say use something with vitamin C for brightness. And I would also suggest using exfoliant 2 to 3 times a week if you have like very bad clogged pores. I would start off doing that. Now I'm to a point where I used to do it every 2 to 3 times a week, and now I'm just doing it like once or twice a week, sometimes twice a month, just depending on if I have time. But my reset days for the week for my skin is on Sunday, so I always start my week on Sunday. Not only do you need to have a skincare routine, you have to make sure that you continue with the skincare routine. Consistency is key. In order for your skin to look perfect underneath that makeup, you have to make sure you're cleaning your skin with a regimen. Start your regimen. I gave you some good tips, so hopefully you'll use those tips and keep using them over time. And again, this is our 30-day glow up right before summer. Summer is coming in less than 30 days. We got to get it together, ladies. On this, I would say for your hair and your skin, use a silk pillowcase and a silk bonnet. You can order one from hairluxuryco.com. We do sell satin bonnets, so you can use one of our bonnets for your hair. All right, next tip is hair, honey. You know, you see hair first. I love a protective style. I love wearing my wigs. So I do curl my wigs. As you can see, I'm curling a wig. I'll curl it, let it sit for a week or two with the pin curls in it, and then I let it out, and then I just let the curls fall over time. And that's why I always look like I have my hair done, because I keep my wigs on deck and keep my hair braided under my wigs. And I always oil my hair or spray down my hair with water. With your hair care routine, no matter if you're wearing wigs or braids or buns or silk presses, keep your hair looking clean and flowy and bouncy, so it won't look old and dirty. We don't want that, because it can clog your pores too. Your hair can clog your pores. I also would suggest, I know a lot of people be talking about their edges, try to lay low on or lay off a little bit on your how much adhesive you're putting on your edges. I use combs in my wigs, and so my hair is braided underneath, and sometimes I put my combs in, sometimes I don't, just depending on how I feel that day. But it can cause tension on your edges. But I always oil your edges. I always moisturize. Just wear what makes you feel confident, what makes you feel like you own the room. Wear whatever makes you feel comfortable. If you feel comfortable wearing a wig or weave, wear your wig. If you feel comfortable wearing your natural hair, wear your natural hair. If you feel confident wearing makeup, wear makeup. But again, you have to make sure you're maintaining your hair and your skin to feel your best self. Remember, hair is your crown, so treat it like royalty, ladies. Always get you a good weave or wig. I be having wigs that last me 6 to 10 years. I've had some of my wigs for a long time, and I'm like I'll go to my wig quicker than I'll go to some box braids or some knotless braids. I'm a wig girl. I'm wearing me a wig to stay polished. The next tip I would give for your glow up journey is to take care of your body. What you put into your body, and also how you treat your body, like exercise and walking also helps release stress. And no matter what size you are, I would suggest doing at least 30 minutes, a 30-minute routine every day of walking, light cardio, hard HIIT training. I know I just started this HIIT class back in March. I've been doing it now for about, we'll say 30 days in a week. I've done 20 sessions. I got to get to 21 because remember, as you continue to do it, once you get to 21 days, they say it becomes a habit. So I just have to get to my 21st day and make it a routine. But again, health is wealth. Health is wealth. You got to make sure that you're maintaining your health and your diet and your exercise, ladies. Whether it's dancing, walking, or running, move your body. Always move your body. Drink your water. I just got me a Stanley cup, my first one. I said I wasn't going to get one, but I ended up getting one in my favorite color, black. I got a Stanley cup, so it's 40 ounces. I was just drinking about 64 ounces of water a day. So if you could do one Stanley cup and a quarter of a cup, then you hit your 64 ounces of water. It detoxes your body, filters out those kidneys, helps with any type of high blood pressure or blood pressure. Drink your water, ladies. We don't want any bad health. And, you know, being from the South is kind of hard, but you have to maintain your water intake, do your cardio, do your exercising to get that glow up. Makes your skin radiant as well. Next, I would say another thing that I do that I love is I get 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Sometimes, like even if I sleep late, let's say I go to sleep after 12, but my goal for you all is to try to go to sleep before midnight, meaning that you need to get into bed by 11 o'clock to make sure you get to sleep by midnight, and then you get up 8 hours from there, so about 8 o'clock in the morning. I would say 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I know sometimes I'll get up in the middle of the night, I was to use the restroom or anything like that, but I would suggest if you haven't just gotten a good nice rest, you could take some melatonin, something, drink some tea right before bed, some chamomile, lavender, some type of mint tea right before you go to bed. It's very soothing. It helps to relax you. Journal, read a book, try to write out notes, look at your calendar to see what you have scheduled for the day, or create your timeline on what you're going to do for the day of all the events that you need to do to hit your goals for each day. Biggest glow is the one you can't see, and that's your mindset. You have to change your mindset, ladies, if you want to glow up. I know for me, when I was going through my glow up journey, I was like, oh, I have to rethink how I do stuff. Don't always think I have to just go. First, I had to take care of me first. In order for when I show up, I'm showing up with confidence. I'm showing up looking good. I'm showing up smelling good. And so you have to change your mindset. In order to change your mindset, you have to set career goals, financial goals, and health goals. I already discussed health goals, beauty goals. That's the outside of you, but the inside of you also has to be changed in order for you to glow. I would suggest every morning, give 3 words of affirmation about yourself. I know it's an app that I use. It says you're a boss queen, you're beautiful, you're financially free. These are goals that I have set for myself, and things that I want to do. And I look at those affirmations on my text message every morning, and it helps to wake me up with a smile on my face every day. The way to change your mindset is watch who you're hanging around. Watch the environments or climates that you're in. Always protect your peace. Sometimes that takes removing people from your space that you feel is causing you to have this negative type of mindset for yourself. I had to learn that sometimes I have to pull away from everyone to re-energize myself, to have this mindset that I have, that I am who I am. In order for me to be who I am, I have to have that mindset every morning when I wake up. Another way you can do this is you can journal or you can pray. Sometimes praying 5 to 10 minutes every morning or before you go to sleep helps you change your mindset. Things that you couldn't get accomplished, things that you're still working toward. Don't give up on those goals. Just pray about it. Journal about it. Journal how you want to get to the goal. Try to meet somebody who has completed your goal, and that could possibly help you change your mindset over time. And lastly, I would say sometimes you can't reach out to people who can help you change your mindset. Sometimes you may have to go to therapy. It's nothing wrong with talking to a therapist to help you get to your goals or to help you see what's in your way or what's stopping you from getting to those goals. It's never a problem asking for help. I always ask for help. That's what they're for. That's what people are here for, to help you. Number 5 is style and presence. How you show up says a lot about how you feel about yourself. If you show up looking tired and dirty, that's how people are going to perceive you. If you show up smelling good, looking good, hair laid, nails laid, eyebrows laid, skin glowing, it says a lot about you. Teeth white, everything perfect. This says a lot about you. So we want to make sure we come to events and come to places looking top tier, looking our best. Yes, we do. We want to come looking our best. You feel you don't look your best every time you go somewhere. Sometimes it takes rebuilding your wardrobe. I like to use neutrals and like pieces that can last forever. I know I have this white button-down polo shirt that I wear a lot. I wear it with shorts, I wear it with jeans, and I look really, really polished in it. I have a white blazer that I like to wear. I throw it on with a tank top and some jeans and some mules, or even some tennis shoes, and I still look polished in it. I like sometimes going barefaced with just some lip gloss and eyeliner, and I look polished, even in shorts and a tank top or sweatpants and a hoodie. I always make sure that the top and bottom match the shoes, are clean. Make sure I have nice socks. I make sure I smell good. My hair is neat and bouncy and clean. So those are things that I do when I go out. And again, your presence when you go out says a lot about you. My suggestion is always keep your nails clean up really nicely. Sometimes that makes a difference. I know some of the ladies like getting their lashes done. Some of the ladies like getting dermaplaning. Some ladies like getting their hair done every week, but like I say, I curl my own hair. I curl it like maybe once or twice a week, and I just let the curls fall. I think this is like day 4 curls on this hair. So again, when you're thinking about your style and your presence, sometimes you have to just buy a couple more pieces to solidify that wardrobe where you always have an outfit if you have to go somewhere. I always keep 1 or 2 outfits to the side in case something pop up, ladies. Another thing that exudes confidence is eye contact and your posture. How you sit, how you stand, how you walk in the room also shows if you exude this type of confidence. It helps to show that you are glowing up. Close out this glow up series. Yes, Dr. Tammi Taylor glow up. Hopefully it helps you. You have to remember that glow up is not just a 30-day thing. This is a lifestyle, honey. You have to glow up. Glow up is every time I see her, I can't wait to see what shoes she have on. I can't see what jewelry she have on. Can't wait to see what outfit she has on. I can't wait to see how her hair looks. You're the moment. When people see you, they want to see what you're wearing, what you have on, what color skin, what color your nails, what color your hair. That's the type of glow up that I'm talking about. And remember, you guys, you don't have to do it all at once. Just do one habit at a time. So if you feel like, oh, I want to work on a skincare routine, start that first. Start that for a week and see how it goes. If you want to start your nightly routine, like making sure you get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Start that nightly routine. They have sleep tape. You can use that if you want to be able to get a better night's rest. Make sure you go to bed an hour ahead of time. Again, every habit takes time. Do each one of these one at a time if you would like. If you're ready to start your glow up journey, type in the comments below, I am glowing already. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with someone who wants to level up with you. Up next, I will be sharing a budget-friendly skincare routine and the morning routine that I use that changed my life, y'all. See you next week.